Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a very quick and honest review about this retirement planner website called ProManage. So let's get started. ProManage is a managed account service designed to automate retirement invest for participants in employee-sponsored retirement plan, such as the 401k and the 403b account. It offers professional portfolio management by allocating assets based on individual factor age, account balance, and project protected social security benefit. And here the downside, they have the various type of tools and features that makes their platform more effective. And here's the advantages you stand to get using this platform as your retirement investment planner, which is the and of investing. ProManage automatically manage your retirement portfolio, adjusting allocation over time to align with your retirement goal. And also, the service consider factors as your investment time horizon and projected social security benefits to tailor your investment strategy. And here's the downside, which is the limited control and all or nothing approach with a plan specific availability. And here's the bottom line. ProManage is well suited for individuals seeking a set it and forget it approach to retirement investment within their employer sponsor plan. It automated personalized management can be beneficial for those who prefer not to actively manage their retirement portfolios. However, if you decide more control over your investment or wish to manage a portion of your portfolio independently, ProManage or nothing model may not align with your preference. Thank you.